as a trader, guys, why are you guys losing so much money in your trading career? Like, what is the real reason why you cannot be consistently profitable? You're over trading, you're over leveraging. You could literally be living your best life right now with this income stream, but you're consistently failing and you don't know what you're doing wrong. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys the top 3 reasons why people fail into their trading career. And this is crazy because I'm gonna teach you the top 3 reasons and ways you can actually reverse this psychology to make a big bag in your trading career. And this video is for beginners. It's for people who are advanced, people who are intermediate. So if you watch to the very end of this video, I'm gonna give you guys literally the top 3 nuggets. However, guys, if you miss even one portion of today's video, you could risk yourself losing thousands and thousands of dollars just like me into your trading career. So watch to the end, hit the subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in the video. Reason 1 is because you are trading choppy markets every single day. Like, who here has ever traded in the market and all you see is a choppy up-down movement the whole time? All you see is up, down, up, down. Who has that happened to before? And you know the pain that you felt and the money that you've lost in this market if you're trading these choppy markets wrong. And I'm going to show you the way to trade them correctly, step 1. And if you guys miss out any portion of today's video, you have 2 other steps. You could risk losing thousands of dollars just like me. So make sure you watch the full video to get the free game. All right, so cool. Whenever you're in a choppy market, guys, this is what you're going to see. The very top of here is called your swing high, and right here is called your swing low. So what is a swing high? What is a swing low? This is the very top of a choppy range market move. Right here is the very bottom of a choppy market move, right? So go ahead and mark out your swing high and swing low. Now, the way to trade a choppy market, guys, is only one way, and you want to listen very closely. You want to wait for a breakout of either the swing low level, which is right here, or a breakout here of our swing high level, right? After you create a breakout of the swing high or swing low, you want to then wait for a retest back to this area to then take your position. So the strategy I'm teaching you guys right now, write this down, this is free game. It is called the break and retest strategy. It is a 85% plus win rate on my personal performance. And I'm going to show you guys how I use this same strategy today on this day to literally make $800 whilst on vacation in New York, right? So I made over 200% on SPY and 170% on QQQ. I'm going to break down for you guys today on how I did it. All right, so this right here is my swing low level, and let's go ahead and press play and see what happens. Boom, check this out. This is a free game. So boom. As you can see, guys, this is right here is using the 1 minute time frame on this chart. So SPY has never closed a candlestick below this area at all until we happen to close below it right here and here, right? So whenever I was looking at this trade on vacation, I was waiting to make some money very patiently. So I'm going to also teach you guys today on how to master what is an order block into your trading. So guys, an order block is simply put as the last candlestick in a market movement swing before a market has a reversal in price. So write it down. The order block will be exactly right here in the market. And the reason why right here is called my order block is because this red candlestick right here was the very last red candlestick before the market had to move back to the upside right here. So I'm going to highlight this order block right here. I'm going to pull it all the way across. Will come in handy. So this is free game. Write this down. All right. So cool. Now, after this trade has a breakout to the bottom of the swing low and it pushes below the swing low, you do not want to buy your shorts or buy your puts right here. I promise you guys, if you guys buy puts right here, that is called a breakout trade, and you will lose miserably in trading. Miserably. So sorry to say you're not a good trader until you know this concept right here. Wait for the break and retest. So I'm looking for a movement back up to this area. Preferably, I'm looking for a retest into my order block minimum. But more importantly, guys, I'm looking for a retest into a very strong strategy is what we call as the fair value gap. So step 2, the reason why you are losing money in trading is because you don't know how to trade with smart money. People who trade with smart money, they understand that a fair value gap is a 3 candle sequence as such right here, and you want to find an expansive candlestick in between 2 candles that have a top wick right here and a bottom wick right here, and you want to highlight the space in between from right here to right here as my fair value gap. And simply put, in the stock market world or any market, the trading market has to make a retest into this market level, and it's called an imbalance. And fair value gap is the same thing as called as an imbalance. So very simply put, the market has to retest and touch this gap before it continues to the downside. So at this swing low level right here, we have a ton of liquidity that we have to take out. What does that mean? The market has to take out this level right here before it can make a bigger move to the downside. So with that being said, with the psychology, guys, write down that wait for the market to retest back into this area right here as my fair value gap, or having a retest into my order block, and this is where you want to enter your trade, right? So let's go ahead and press play and see what happens. Here, we're bouncing. Cool. Check this out. Cool. Now, in 2 candlesticks, this market has came directly back into this fair value gap right here. So a lot of people who are rookie traders, people who are beginners, they don't know what a fair value gap is. They're literally making me richer. Like, I'm making about 20 and 30K a month from trading right now, which isn't too much amount of money, but pays bills, you know, family is good, you know. So what happens is the people that lose money in trading, they help people like me make more money. So they're, sadly, it's sad to say, but they're buying more longs, they're buying more calls right here, right? However, as a smart money trader, I'm playing the inverse momentum, and I'm actually going to be buying some shorts, buying some puts right here. So this is how my risk to reward would look like on this trade. I'm buying a put right here, and I'm keeping my stop loss very, very tight on a 1 minute candle closure above this fair value gap, right? And then my exit on this trade, guys, is that I want to create a lower low. So creating a lower low means that right here, this is my first lower low in the market, right? So I'm looking for this trade to actually push below this area. So that means that this trade right here, guys, as you can see, this is an 18-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade that I actually took and called out to my Discord. As you can see, we bang on our chat every single day in my Discord. So let me show you what happened now after this trade hit this area here in this market. Let's press play. All right, it came up, it hit it again, and then look what happened. Boom, crashed down. And then there was a lot more in this market, but personally, I took profits pretty early right here. This is literally all I needed on this trade. They had a nasty trade on the day on vacation, right? And then as you can see, guys, this move right here that happened, this is the only clean move that was like good to trade on Tuesday in this morning session. As you can see, this whole market right here, this is going to be called all mumbo jumbo, right? Mumbo jumbo. Don't trade all this chop nonsense. Write this down. If you don't, you could literally risk losing a lot of money. Like I said, guys, and I'm not playing no games. Like, I was in the shoes where I didn't understand this, and I blew up my account consistently by trying to trade every single ranging market while it is accumulating every single day. Write down that only trade a choppy and rangy market whenever you have a breakout below either the swing low or swing high. Step 2, wait for the retest until the swing low area or swing high. Preferably locate an area of an imbalance like a fair value gap or order block, and then buy into this trade with a very tight stop loss, and then aim to create a new lower low, or in a bullish market, create a new higher high. And people who are more visual learners, you're kind of more hands-on, you kind of need things more like visual for you. I do that in my program for mentorship. So this is right here is an example of a drawing that I will show you guys and kind of break down in a live class setting how to actually locate proper trading strategies and ways you can actually become better. So this right here is the same image of a range. And as you can see, we had a breakout right here, this range, and then we have a breakout right here. And the market actually created the movement after that. And for everybody who's always texting me and DM me on Instagram about my mentorship, how it works, how they can get in, we actually have a wait list for the program right now. Is due to it's like a lot of people coming into the doors, trying to get into the seats and whatnot. You got to actually apply to join our program, and it's no issues if you don't get accepted. I have a lot of free game for you guys on my YouTube. However, if you're somebody who wants to get money and make money, and like say you're working a job 9 to 5 and you want to actually learn the skill set for yourself, my mentee Masty right here, she hit me up, got into my program, she was accepted. Look at this, she had her first $1,000 trading day on the 11th of September. Very, very recent. People are making money. Look, Izzy right here, he made 1K on the 12th, right? People are making money like this. Check this out, he made $450 literally yesterday, right? Let's see today. Today, Christian, he made $650 today. And these are all mentees. As you can see, they're right here for mentees. So names in blue are my mentees. All right. So, and if y'all want to see testimonials, you could pause right here, read these, but we do not come to play, guys. And if you want to learn more about trading, get into this bag and all the information, guys, I'll give you a 6 weeks roadmap and process to become profitable. And you can see all the information below into the description. And this right here is exactly how it will work. This right here is the week 1. We're going over the beginner's concept. So if you're brand new, you're a beginner, you don't know what you're doing, like Ryan, this stuff looking like Chinese, I got you. Look, I will teach you which apps you need to start trading, right? I will teach you all the first steps into your trading career, how to start, how to even place your first live trades. I will then teach you more about technical analysis. which is today's free game. But I'm teaching y'all literally like the basics right now. If you want to really learn the real game, imagine what's in the paid program, right? Obviously, everything comes to the price tag, but we have free game because I want to see you guys win. Like personally, guys, I'm teaching you guys here in week 3 on how to actually manage your money and grow a profitable trading account. So if you want to see something crazy, people will never do this. But whenever you're trading, you should always have a game plan. So let's say I begin first with $1,000 to my trading career. This is a very average amount number of my money to begin with. I'm looking for about a 7% growth rate every single day, and I'm going to trade for the next 30 days. And I include Monday through Friday. Let's see what I would go ahead and achieve. I make about 2.8K, right? This is considering I start on a certain day. But let's say I start here on the next Monday, which is right here. Calculate. I make about 3.4K return on investment off of a profit startup and an account startup of about $1,000. So I always begin my program for mentorship with figuring out, because everybody is different, right? I'm gonna figure out, where are you financially? Where do you want to be? Where are you with your job? Where do you want to be? All right, do you have freedom? Do you want more time for yourself? Do you want a remote income stream to help you change your life? Wherever you are, everyone begins off on a clean slate and fresh new as a beginner. All right, so if you guys want to get into this program for mentorship, it's going to be it's not a get rich quick scheme at all. I spent time to build literally 50-day game plans, 100-day game. But look, check this out. Over 50 days with the same game plan, 7%, you make about $10,000 return on your investment, right? And there's a lot more to learn, guys. But if y'all want to get into our program and start learning how to trade, learn how to become better in this market, learn how to actually retire your parents one day, maybe even take some more vacations, spend time with your girlfriend, your family, right? I could teach you in my 6 weeks program. All the information, guys, will be in the links below to the description. And for some more free game, guys, follow me on Instagram at Ryan Bands. Hit the subscribe below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in our next video, guys. Peace out.